Meaning of fluently.
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 Fluently. The term fluently refers to the ability to speak, read, or write a language with ease, accuracy, and without hesitation. It means that the individual has a strong grasp of the language's grammar, syntax, and vocabulary, and is capable of expressing themselves clearly and effectively. Fluency is often associated with a high level of proficiency in a language and enables individuals to communicate their thoughts and ideas confidently. Achieving fluency requires a significant amount of time and practice, as well as immersion in the language and exposure to authentic language use.